The
Mr. Speaker, can we
proposed
ask for a
amendment
roll
is
call
hereby
vote?
rejected.
I would just like to manifest my disappointment that we are
Well, Mr. Speaker,
not
point of order.
passing
This is a period of
true
amendment.
anti-dynasty
We don't
bill.
accept.
Majority Leader.
But that being
We don't
said,
accept
Mr. Speaker, I move to
manifestation, Mr.
suspend
Speaker.
session.
I will yield
Session is
to
suspended.
Mr. Speaker.
Gitabangan. Gialirungan. Sa kini mga igalang mga kongresista sa Kamara de Representante karon ginahisgutan mga igala kining kalambigitan sa anti-dynasty bill. No, ang nagpropose nini sila Adjong. Karon mga igsoon, gusto ni Representative Leandro Libiste doon na siya'y amendment nga gustong buhaton nga isaka hangtod ngadto sa fourth consanguinity o kana mga paryente kaila o kanang paryente gyud no nga di na basta-basta makadagan labi na di may galas party list kay kining party list nato karon gi-hijack nis mga politiko og imbes nga kini mga igalang kapakanan sa ilang mga igalang girepresentahan nga sektor ang ilang dadon ang ilahan na no may galang pamulitika may giuna.
Bullseye! Bullseye!
Kaminaw na to ni may galang deliberasyon kagahapon kundiin may gala gitabangan gialirungan sa kini mga igalang mga kongresista si Representative Leandro Liviste di sila manugot nga dapat ang parente di kadagan sa party list. Awara, tiyaw mo na. Anong pasapasa pa mamuan ang inyong anti-dynasty bill kunuhay? Ato maminahon ka.
XFM Katropa!
The nays have it. The
Mr. Speaker, can we
proposed
ask for a
amendment
roll
is
call
hereby
vote?
rejected.
I would just like to manifest my disappointment that we are
Well, Mr. Speaker,
not
point of order.
passing
This is a period of
true
amendment. We
anti-dynasty
don't
bill.
accept.
Majority Leader.
But that being
We don't
said,
accept
Mr. Speaker, I move to
manifestation, Mr.
suspend
Speaker.
session.
I will yield
Session is
to
suspended.
Mr. Speaker, I propose that we amend Section 5B within the same legislative district or as party list representative.
What does the sponsor say?
Reject, Mr. Speaker.
What
Mr.
does the majority
Speaker,
say?
I move that we divide the House.
Mr. Speaker, may I ask that the sponsor explain his objection to the amendment
We
to include party
Point
lists
of order,
in
Mr.
the
Speaker. I don't
political
need
dynasty
to.
bill.
I don't need
Mr.
to
Speaker, I
explain
move
my
to-
objection.
Session has been
Move to
suspended.
suspend.
Mr. Speaker, may I just
Grabe
reiterate
ka
what
mga way
is the-
batasan naman eh.
Majority leader.
Mr. Speaker, there has been an objection to the amendment proposed. I move that we divide the
Mr.
House.
Speaker, so that we know what we're voting on, can we just reiterate what is the proposed amendment? It is to add at Section 5B or as party list representative so that the anti-political dynasty bill will prohibit relatives within the second degree of consanguinity for both running for a seat in a district of the House of Representatives and as a party list representative.
What does the sponsor say?
We do not accept.
What does the majority say?
Mr. Speaker, there being an objection to the amendment proposed, I move that we divide the House. An aye vote will sustain the amendment, while a nay vote will defeat the amendment. The majority solicits a nay vote.
There is a proposed amendment rejected by the sponsor.
Wow eh.
And
Wakalusot.
we now move to divide the House. All those in favor, say aye.
Wa na.
Those
Ay.
who are against,
Mga buhaya
nay.
mong dagko.
The nays have it.
Mr.
The
Speaker, can we
proposed
ask for a
amendment is
roll call
hereby
vote?
rejected.
Mr.
Majority leader.
Mr. Speaker, I move to suspend session.
Mr. Speaker, can we have a
Session
clean-
suspended.
Mr. Speaker,
Majority
may I
Leader.
propose my next
Mr.
amendment?
Speaker, I move that we recognize the Honorable Leandro Leviste for his additional amendments.
Honorable Reviste, please proceed.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Para matupad ang pangako na ipagbawal ang political dynasty sa Pilipinas, nais ko pong i-propose na i-amend natin ang Section 5 sa A, B, C, D, and E, nakalagay second degree, at ang aking amendment ay palitan ito para maging fourth degree.
What does the sponsor say?
We don't accept.
Grabe isuga ni Adjong ay.
Mr. Speaker, there being an objection to the proposed amendment, I move that we divide the House.
Okay, muna na gab.
May I move for nominal voting?
XFM Katropa.
Si? Ingon si kinsa ni Libiste nga. Kuan man gani anti-dynasty. Buhaton na to ani hangtod fourth consanguinity. Ibangutan na may galas sa kuan. Unsay masulti sa kuan, sa sponsor. Ang sponsor ani si Adyong man. Di mo sugot. Kakak man. Nga naman, maligsan diri ang mga party list. Dagag maligsan ani mga kaigsuunan.